Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an ultimate room transformation. I'm going to be transforming my room into the ultimate TikTok room. So I haven't changed my room since I was like 14 years old, so there's so much that I want to change. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a revamp and see what I can do. Obviously, you've seen on TikTok the LED light trend, so I've gone on Amazon and I've ordered some of those, as well as a couple of other bits and bobs that I kind of want to put in my room to change everything around. So I'm just going to take you along with me with what I do and how I transform my room. First of all, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what it looks like right now and what I'm planning on changing, and then I guess I'll take you with me while I change everything. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to give you a little overview of what it looks like right now. So I've got my big bed, which I've had since I was 14. This I'm going to keep the same, but I think I'm going to put the LED strips either around it or around the ceiling. And then I have this stock image from IKEA from a really long time ago, which I definitely want to change. I think a collage, but I'm not quite sure yet. And then I'm definitely keeping my bedside table. I want to get a matching lamp for that, so I'm going to put that here, maybe like a tall standing one. And then my closet is going to be the same because it's inbuilt, so I can't really change that. I'm thinking of maybe putting the LED strips around there as well, because it's kind of like a ledge, so it might look quite cool if it's around there. Keeping the curtains the same for sure because they're so neutral anyway. And then I have this chaise longue that I've had since I was really small. I think I'm going to keep this, but I might move him just to make it look a little bit more classy and grown up. And then here I have my dresser. This is kind of new, so I'm going to keep this the same. I've got this glass thing and an LED strip light, which lights up my perfume bottles, which I think is really cute. I might make it a little bit less colourful though. I'm not quite sure about these pink pots, so I guess I'll see what I'll do with that. Then I have my bookshelf right here. This I also haven't changed in a really long time. I think I'm going to take some of the old books out and make it look a little bit less bright and colourful and make it look more neutral. I want to display my bags a little bit better, so I think I might get a shelf or something to put them on. And then here I have this old desk, which I've had for a really long time. It's vintage, but I'm not kind of feeling the colours anymore. I mean, it's kind of green on top. I have this big mirror here, which I'm definitely going to be keeping the same because it's just really neutral and looks quite cute. So that's what my room looks like right now. My LED lights have actually already arrived because I ordered them a couple of days ago, so I'm going to be sticking those up today. I'm going to try a few different places and just see where they look best. This is what I made as a collage with my Tumblr feed. I got this printed as a canvas, so I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like because it's going to go on the wall and it's going to be really big and cute. So I just unpacked the collage and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. It's very Y2K, very Bratz, Powerpuff Girls, Paris Hilton, and so pink. I think this will look so cute above my bed. So I just got it printed on this canvas with a wood frame. It wasn't that expensive, so I think this is a really good option if you want your own art above your bed. I think it's a good alternative to the photo wall with just pieces of paper, just because it's more of one piece and I think it looks a little bit more professional, so I'm very excited to stick this on my wall. So I ordered my LED lights from Amazon and they've just arrived today as well. I think I'm going to be sticking these up first just so that that's already done and then I can do the rest of the furniture over it. So I'm going to unpack these now. So I ordered 10 meters of these things. It comes with this super cute remote control with all these colours and then 2 rolls of the actual LED strip. They have this sticky stuff on the end, so I think I need to figure out a way to stick it all around without falling down. These actually look so good, like they actually change according to colour. I'm actually so excited to put these up. So I just closed the shutters to see what they would look like and oh my god, I am so excited, like look at that. So I just played around with the lights a little bit and I think I like it best like this. So I put them around my bed and around my mirror. I think this looks so cute. I just set it to pink and oh my gosh, it just makes my room look so much better. And then I'm just going to hang up my collage, I think above here, or I'm going to try replacing it with that as well and just see what looks better, but it already looks so good. This is what it looks like with the light off. It looks even more just purple and so cool. I'm actually so excited, like this looks sick. Just opened my shutters again so you can kind of see what it looks like in the daytime, and it comes with this little remote so you can change the colour of like how you want it to look. So what I'm going to do now is I think take down this photo and replace it with my collage. I think it will look best if it's over here so it's not obstructing the light, because when it's dark the light kind of shines up that wall and I don't want anything kind of obstructing the flow of light, if that makes sense. So I think I'm going to swap this one with my collage. I've just placed that on this wall. I think it looks really good. It's kind of like a centerpiece, and then I'll have the light shining up there, so that will just not be obstructed. And I think I'm going to take these fairy lights down as well. The next thing I'm going to do is find a new home for my photograph and move this desk. So I'm going to go and find a new desk. I know that sounds really random, but there's loads of desks in my house, and I think I'm just going to replace it with one that we already have. So it'll be a little bit of a transformation with stuff I already have at home. And also my mum told me that the IKEA lamp that I ordered, the matching one to my bedside lamp, has also arrived. So I'm going to assemble that downstairs and bring it upstairs and put it next to my bed as well. I got rid of the desk and turned on all the lights. It really looks so cool. So I've got my collage there and then the LED strips. I'm going to keep my bedding the same, but I'm obviously going to make it look a little bit cuter. And then I set up my lamp. So I got this little standing lamp that matches the one over there. It looks so cute. Over here I just put all of my perfumes with the LED strip behind. It looks so sick. I just have my bookshelf, this like empty space by my window, and my mirror. I'm trying to figure out what to put here. I think maybe a little shelf for my bags, and then it's going to be almost ready. So I just filled this empty space with this little shelf that I had from when I was younger, and I thought it looked really good, so I got it and put it here. And then I just filled in my bags here to make it like a little display, and I put these letters here. I know these are very like live, laugh, love, but I thought they were quite cute, so I put those on top. And this is my little display. It looks so cute with the mirror, and it really fills up the space. I tried moving some of the books from here, but it actually looks better with the ones that were there originally, so I just put my Louis duffel at the bottom, and it looks so good. So I'm going to do a little montage of my new and transformed room, and yeah, it's so cute. I'm so happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon.